Hello YouTube people. This video I'm going to show you how to hardcode RST subtitle files onto its corresponding AVI to make one single AVI file with the subtitles on the frames and stuff. And so it's just, the AVI, and you can, if it's in a different language, you don't have to watch it on your computer. You can hard code the subtitles to your to the file, and you can convert the file and watch it on your iPod, or burn it to a DVD or whatever. This is just how to kind of combine the two files, and it's pretty simple. It doesn't take that long. Alright, now first off, you're going to need three things. Let's get down here. Okay, I am following this tutorial thing that I did, and I figured I would make a video form of it so that it wouldn't be confusing for you. I'll have these links in the, what's it called? The video description, by the way. First, you're going to need VirtualDub. Download that. It's a zip, I think. And then you're going to need SRTtoSSA Converter. That'll just convert your SRT subtitle file to a different kind of subtitle file. And then you're going to need the Subtitler VirtualDub filter, which is, I think, this top one here, just Subtitler 2, 4, whatever. That's what I did. So I'll have all these three things in the what's it called? Description. Sorry. Anyway, and then what you're going to do, what I did here is, since in the zip it's just like the files, I went to my C drive and I just made VirtualDub, our SRTtoSSA, and Subtitler folders, and just extracted all the stuff to there. So pretty simple stuff. Okay, so first off, I'm going to show you the difference here about what the video I did this to was The Killer, 1989 John Woo movie, but it was in Chinese, and yeah, not going to go into a ton of detail about it, but here is a clip. I don't want to get like this video banned, so it's going to be like a 1 second, 1 sentence clip of someone saying something without subtitles. So this is without subtitles. And then this is what it looked like after I hard-coded the subtitles to a brand new file. This is just an AVI, and this is what it looks like. So that's what you're going to have. You're going to have subtitles right on the file. So anyway, what you got to do is you got to go open up VirtualDub like this. You go to Video, you go to Filters, okay? Now you're going to want to go to Add. Now you're going to want to do Load, and then you're going to want to find your Subtitler file, the Subtitler VDF, okay? That was the VirtualDub filter that you downloaded. Oh, hold on. Okay. Never mind. Checking Twitter on this tutorial. What's wrong with me? Anyway, you click Open. Okay, and you can just leave that there. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to want to go to... Oh gosh, I closed it. Hold on. Go to your SRTtoSSA and do the converter. I don't know. And then you're going to want to do input file. And you need to have a subtitle file, obviously. If you don't, then I don't know why you're watching this video. But I might include a link of a web page that has a bunch of subtitle files. But anyway, this is the one that came with The Killer. It's an SRT, so you just click Open, and the output file, it'll be the same directory. And you can change the color. As you can see, the primary is yellow, and that's what you saw. But you can change that. You can make it white if you want. Like, so, it's white with black outline or whatever. You can change the, you can make it. Can you make it Comic Sans? You can. Oh my gosh, that'd be terrible to watch. But then you just click Convert, and it will convert it to an SSA. Then you're going to go back to VirtualDub here. You're going to go to scroll down to the subtitler that you added there. and then just click OK. And now it's going to want you to get click on these dots, and then you're going to want to find the SSA that you got that converted, and you just click open, click OK, click OK. Alright, now we can just go to File, Open Video File. Now you're going to want to get just the raw video file that the what's it called? That the subtitle file goes with. So you have that subtitle file loaded in VirtualDub. Now you just need to open up the raw, no subtitled AVI or whatever. So just click open. Ignore that, doesn't matter. So this is basically what it looks like now. Let's see if I can get this open all the way. I can. Nice. Okay, so when you're doing it, the normal original video is going to be on this side, and over here is where the subtitle thing is going to be. So, okay, sorry about that, guys. Anyway, okay, so we have, now that we have everything loaded up, we have the subtitle thing ready, we can do the last thing now, which is the compression. As you can see up here, it says right in the file name that this is xvid codec in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down and go to my xvid codec, xvid MPEG-4 codec. Now yours could be a DivX one. I have some DivX ones here, the One Logical CPU. So if it was a DivX video, you could use that. But whatever is the appropriate codec to the video. Because if you don't, then like within the first like 4 seconds, you're going to have an already 1 GB sized video. So it's like, holy jeez, what will a 2-hour movie do? It's like a terabyte. So you want to make sure that you do have that compression set. Xvid, right there, Xvid. So now that we have all that done, I don't know if this is going to show anything, but let's see if anything happens. I'm not seeing anything. Yeah, okay, never mind, it doesn't matter. But usually if you like click watch or whatever, on this left side it will show the normal one, on this side it will show the one with the subtitle, so you can see if the subtitle looks good. And if it does, you are ready to go to the next step. File, save as AVI. Okay, now this is an example. I let this go for maybe 5 seconds and it got up to 300 megabytes. That's without any compression. So you want to make sure you get the compression in there. So save, replace, yeah. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see that in the background, but it's saving the video files. And it will give you information right here, like what the frame rate is for these different frames as it's going along. The file size, it thinks it's going to be around, looks like about early 700s. The total estimated time it thinks it's going to take and how much has gone past. How much, basically this right here, this third one, the video data, is how much of the video it's made so far. So far it's made 33 megabytes, and it goes pretty quickly actually. It only takes maybe 2 hours at the most, and this is a 1 hour 47 minute I think file. So not bad, not bad. So I can abort that because I've already done that, and the output file was the one out. Holy jeez, the output file was the one I showed you. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll include the link to these files, and your end result will be subtitles hard-coded to an AVI file, and you can do whatever you want with that. So pretty simple stuff, but there wasn't very good explanations out there, so I figured I'd get one good YouTube video to explain it all. So simplest way most likely, and whether or not it is the simplest, it's really easy. So I'll be doing this from now on, and hopefully I helped you guys out. So see you later.